Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this new massage bra. This bra is by Lilu. It is a massage bra. It says the first hands-free pumping bra that helps you pump more milk in less time. So the premise behind this bra is the hands-on pumping. We've talked about this in some of our pumping videos. If you actually massage the breast or chest manually while pumping, you're gonna get better output and empty the tissue and the milk better. The premise behind this bra is that you don't have to use your hands to do that. So if you're pumping at work or you're just a busy parent on the run, you could wear this pumping bra to help you empty more and have that advantage of manual expression without actually having to use your hands. Currently, I'm not lactating, nor have I yet, so I'm not going to be able to show you how to use this, but I have asked my partner, Rachel, to try it out for us, so we're gonna have to bring you that video in the near future. All right, so let's see what's in this box. So it's called the Lilu massage bra. This came in a size medium. I believe that when this was sent to me, they did ask me my size. So if you order it, you probably would have to figure out what size is going to work best for you. The box says that how it works: while you pump, custom engineered massage cushions inside the bra fill with air to stimulate milk glands and make pumping sessions more productive. Research from Stanford shows breast massage increases milk output and helps maintain milk supply in the long run. So what's included in the box are massage cushions, rechargeable controller. Oh, that's cool. So the controller turns the massage on and off and adjusts massage levels. And it says that this lasts for up to 2 hours of pumping. And the hands-free bra with the pockets which hold the massage cushions is also included. All right, so let's open this up. I will not be using my teeth today. I told you guys last time that my dad was gonna have something to say about me using my teeth, and he did. So bear with me while I open the tape, or I'll use my pen. All right. So it comes in a really pretty green box and some more tape. So let's peel that off and see what's inside of here. Okay, so it looks like a booklet telling us how to get started, but let's just dig in. Here you can see the bra itself, and the bra's gray. I probably shouldn't have worn a gray shirt because I was thinking of putting it on over this, but it's a darker gray, so I think you'll be able to see it still. All right, so, oh, this thing's heavy. Whew. It's heavier than any bra I've seen. So this is the bra itself, and it also comes with a cute little tote bag, I guess, to pack it away in when you're done. And stay positive. It's a charger. Looks like mini USB charger, so probably can plug right into your computer, especially if you're using this at work. That could come in handy. And let's see. This is cute. It's good quality. It's nice and sturdy material. This is the back. It's really cute, actually. It kind of looks like a really fancy sports bra. You're gonna put the flanges through here, and the bra is gonna support your flanges against you. And it has this nice clip in the back, which is, I don't know if you can see this, there you go. Super heavy duty clip. Ooh, I like the way that feels. It's nice and smooth. I like these green straps. And it is also adjustable here. So you can adjust this to your comfort level. Let's see. The straps are also adjustable, so you're gonna adjust those to your comfort level. This is nice Velcro too. It's not like that icky Velcro that makes such a loud noise. It's like micro Velcro, if that's a thing. And here is your there's some snaps on the top of the bra. And this is the, ooh, I just turned it on by accident. Let's watch what it does. It's filling up with air. This is what it sounds like. Not much louder than a typical breast pump. So the little pouches, which are in here, fill up with air and massage and squeeze around the tissue. So I went ahead and took the air packs out of the bra itself, and this is what they look like inside. I honestly think the size that I ordered is too large for me, but you can adjust the size of these inside the bra itself too. It has 3 little snaps here on the side, so you can unsnap that and put it on the smaller snap or tighter snap to kind of like close this circle and make it fit better around you. This is the motor that goes inside. It's kind of heavy. It's supposed to sit in the middle basically, while these go around you and massage the milk out from the inside of the bra. You can, and you can turn the suction up or down on top of this lever. You don't even have to take it out of the pocket. You can just leave it in there and adjust it from there. So let me get this thing on and try it out for you all. This is what the bra looks like in the back. I'm not sure if I have the wrong size, but I even adjusted these and it just doesn't quite fit me right. The holes for where the flange is going to come out are right here. So you're going to use this in concurrence with pumping. This is what it sounds like when you have it going. And that's the lower setting. And then this is the higher setting. And those little balloons inside are filling up. Just put quite a bit of backward pressure on your chest. Ooh, it's a little uncomfortable. But I don't know that in the lower setting it doesn't feel like it would have that effective of a massage. There it goes, filling up the bubbles, and then it releases. I'm gonna turn that off. So I don't know, getting it on there is a little bit awkward. It feels a little bit bulky on, but maybe I have the wrong size and maybe I'm just not doing it correctly. So the company has offered to speak with me and give me a little tutorial on how this works. So today was just the unboxing. and kind of a first look at this. And maybe once I get some instruction from them, I will be able to give you guys a more informative video on how this works and a better opinion on, or a more informed opinion on how well this works. It also may be helpful if I get a person who is actually lactating, like my partner Rachel, to try this out for us and see if it actually gives her an increased milk output while pumping. I can see if this does work out, how it could be a nice benefit for certain people. I don't think that it's a tool that everyone needs. I think it's a tool that could be useful, for example, if you have a baby in the NICU and you're pumping all the time, if you're pumping at work and you need to do it a little quicker, more effectively, or if you're an exclusively pumping parent where you are always pumping, this may help you get a little bit better output. So it's definitely not for everyone. I don't think that everyone who is on their lactation journey needs this kind of bra or device inside their bra to help massage. But I can see where it has its place. So let's find out some more information about this and how it works, and we'll get back to you. If you guys have any questions that you want me to cover on the next video, please write the comments down below. And if you're new to the community, make sure you subscribe down below, hit the bell, and you're going to be notified each week when I post a new video. We will see you next week. Bye.